This is a quick demo to show you how you can include FontAwesome characters and icons in your HTML page. The first thing that we have to do is we have to link to the FontAwesome style sheet. So I've got this in my clipboard already, but I will put this near the demo so that you can have access to this. What this does is this loads a FontAwesome CSS document from a remote server. This way you don't have to bother with like downloading it to your computer and linking it, although you can do that through the website. And the website walks you through how to do that if you want to follow the getting started things here. But this is an easy way to include it so that you have access to it. So then after that, it's actually pretty straightforward. Let's say I want to add an Instagram icon after my week 11. So I will go after the 11. And I am going to add a link to my Instagram profile. So first I'll type out the A link like this. Whoops. There we go. And then in order to include the FontAwesome character, what I do is I include a class, which equals FA, and then the specific icon that I want to use, which is FA-Instagram, right? And you will see as soon as I type that, it shows up there. So there's not actually anything in my A link here because it's all being done through the cleverness of the style sheet. And so how do I know that? Well, I know that because if I go to the page here and type in Instagram, just to be able to search through the, thousands of icons that are here. If I click on the one that I want, it shows me what I need to include here, which is FA Instagram. And so there's a number of them. There's YouTube, right? SoundCloud, all the way down. And then you can see the ones that are dark are the ones that you can use for free. So they have certain ones that you have to pay, and that's a whole other system. But just in terms of the free icons, it's quite extensive. The different types of like icons and graphics that you can start to include, even things like these circle arrows, big chunky @ symbols, things like that. So that is how you include it. And then, so right now it doesn't link to anything. So let's say I want to make it an actual link to my Instagram. Instagram.com/listening instruments. I'll copy that and paste it in there. And then I also want it to open in a new window. So I will say target equals _blank. And now that should become a link to my Instagram. And it is. All right. Hopefully that's helpful. You can look on the FontAwesome. You can follow the getting started if you want to know more details about how to work with it. But at a really basic level, that gets you up and running and allows you to start utilizing the icons and the graphics that are included.